Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to hide profile picture on Viber. Also, I wonder why you want to hide your profile picture on Viber. It is because you want to keep your privacy by just hiding your profile picture from the people on Viber. Or maybe you're somebody who doesn't like to hide its profile picture and you want to set it as a public profile picture, or whatever the reason it could be. In this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. Simply tap on the icon of the Viber app to open the app, and once it get open we will see how we can hide our profile picture on Viber. This is the interface of the app that you will see at first. This is how the Viber app looks. Right now we are in the chat section where all the chats are available, and along with that we have calls where all the call logs are available. But what we have to do is we have to click on this option, which is more and three dot. Just simply tap on it and then few options will come on the screen. Here you can see we have our profile picture and we will see how we can hide it. So to hide it, as you can see, we have a lot of different options. From all these options we have to select the settings. Through settings we will be easily able to get to our desired destination on this app. So just simply click on settings. Once you get on the settings, on the top, as you can see, it is written settings. That means we are at the right place, at the right section. Here we have different options. Every option has its own purpose. So from all these options we have to select the second option, which is privacy. Hiding profile picture is a matter of privacy. That's why this option is available in the privacy section. So for that, just simply tap on the privacy so that we could hide our profile picture. Once you click on it, on the top you can read it says privacy. That means we are the right section and we have a lot of different options. All these options are here that will keep your account safe, that will keep your privacy. So therefore the hiding profile picture option is also there. So for that we just have to scroll down a bit to the down of the page, and there we will find this option which says show your photo. Right now it is written show your photo and it is turned on. That means any person who has saved my number and have an account on Viber could see my profile picture whether I have saved their number or not. But if I turn this off, then only the people who could see my pictures are those who are in my contact list. By turning this option on, what will happen is that any random person who has your number and have saved your number could see your profile picture, which is a matter of privacy and security. So for that you could turn this off, so then only those people who are in your contact list can see your profile picture. So for that you just have to simply click here and then it will can turn off and can turn on. You can make it turn on and can make it turn off according to your choice and your preferences. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can keep your account secure by hiding your profile picture on Viber. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.